welcome back to the channel, guys. As you can see, the sun is finally out. For how long, I do not know. Right now, guys, as you can see, we are out at Dover's. There is Caleb's Fox body. He got it out today. Of course, we have the SSP car. We have Corey's 86. And then let's walk up in here. Yes. Off in here is one of the Coyote swaps that we've got in here, and it is, if you caught the video of the oil pump gears that I installed in the 17 Mustang engine, that engine is going in this car, and it is a want to say 93. I'll find out here exactly here in a minute, but it is a convertible Fox. It is extremely clean, and they are right now, Nick, the gentleman that actually painted the strawberry car, is doing all the body work under here. Going to smooth out, getting the panels ready to go in. Going to smooth the engine bay, paint the engine bay, and get it all ready for the Coyote. And of course, we'll be swapping out K members and doing all that. All right, so this is the other car that is in here for Coyote swap, and this is George from Atlanta. So we've got a car from Oklahoma and a car from Georgia up in here getting Coyote swaps, guys. But this car is beautiful, lead foot gray, and I do love this color. This is how the car arrived, guys. So it needs full front suspension, everything. A lot of the interior is up there. It did have mock-up for a S197 dash. Not sure if we're going to use that or not. Time will tell. I would actually like it to be used because, you know, it's something unique. But guys, this car has already had the engine bay smooth. It's already painted. Lee's motor that I put the oil pump gears in is right here. And as you can tell, we're starting to mock up everything. But Dover got the timing cover machined for the power by the hour. I can't speak today, but the power by the hour accessory brackets. So it's all back together and ready to go. It's getting the McLeod twin disc RST twin disc clutch and a T56 Magnum with a quick time bell housing. So it is going to be ready to go. Also is getting Cook's 1 7/8 headers. So guys, this thing is going to be rowdy. He's even talking about putting a Whipple on it. So ladies and gentlemen, Caleb is going to put, what are you doing, Caleb?
We're going to put a water pump on this car. The problem is this giant radiator.
You're going to put a water pump on this car? So the water pump's leaking?
Yeah.
This is a clean car.
That's ridiculous. Water pump will not help again. I don't hear it.
I'll be over there periodically to pick it up and move it around for you. I'm still going to take care of you, baby.
I love you, baby.
I love you, baby. You're my boy, Blue.
I think I'll hold the camera.
All right. So guys, one thing about the quick time bell housing is when you get it, you come with instructions. We've got the stock dial pins in right now, but there are dial pins that you can get to offset it just a little. So quick time recommends that you check it with a dial indicator on the flywheel and the bell housing and check it to make sure that the everything's completely centered, guys. So that's what we're doing now. If everything's good to go, we are going to be installing the twin disc clutch and the transmission today. Alright guys, so we got the T56 Magnum bolted up to the bell housing, and we are about to lift it up with a cherry picker, and we are going to see how the cooked header fit and see if we need to clearance anything.
Still got a long way to go.
It's better, but needs to be right in the bottom part right there. Right there. So guys, as you can see, these are a tight fit. We did have to grind on that quite a bit to get it to fit, but as you can see, this can slide in between there. We have no contact, and that's what you want.
You don't with that 6R80.
Come way out here, don't it?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we got both side headers on. We got the T56 Magnum mounted, got the twin disc clutch in. So this is almost ready to go in the car, guys. Caleb is just about done with the water pump over here, guys.
Pretty sure this car will never get sold.
This one right here?
This one will never get sold.
Oh, this is clean. I wouldn't sell it if it was mine.
I wouldn't either.
You get a car this clean, especially a Fox body, you tend not to want to let them go.
And with a brand new water pump.
Yes.
I mean, how do you beat that?
I mean, guys, I'm going to open the door just a little so you can see this interior. Guys, look at that interior in there. Mint. Look at that. So clean. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. We've got the T56 Magnum and all that done, so we're just waiting on a few other parts like we talked about earlier. Caleb got the water pump done in this car. I've got a couple subscribers rides coming up next, so stay tuned for that. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.